Hello everyone, and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Over time, it's easy to collect browser extensions that you no longer use. Removing them can help keep Chrome running smoothly and securely. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to uninstall any extension in just a few clicks. First, look to the right of your address bar for the puzzle piece icon. This is the extensions menu. Click on it, and then select Manage Extensions at the bottom of the list. This will open a new tab showing all your installed add-ons. Alternatively, you can get here quickly by typing Chrome//extensions directly into your address bar and pressing enter. Next, you'll see a list of every extension installed in your browser. Find the one you want to remove. To uninstall it, simply click the Remove button located below its description. Finally, a confirmation dialog will pop up asking if you're sure. Click Remove again to confirm. The extension will be immediately uninstalled and removed from your browser. Pro tip: if you think you might want to use an extension again later, you don't have to remove it completely. Instead, just toggle the switch next to it to the off position. This disables it without uninstalling it, so you can easily turn it back on anytime. It's a good practice to occasionally review your extensions and remove any you no longer need, as this helps improve browser performance and security. If this quick guide helped you clean up your browser, please support our channel by liking this video and subscribing to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.